Alright, we had a little technical difficulties, but we're going to try this again. It's going to be awesome.
That's her, man. That's it.
Tire looks pretty pooch to me.
Yep.
But I think I'll still go for another round.
That's it. She's done.
She can go for another round.
She's done.
She can go for another round. Come on.
Dead.
One more, Cameron.
Can't do it.
I'm recording right now, man. You have to do it for YouTube viewers.
I'll try.
We're wrecking this tire for you, YouTube viewers. Awesome.
Almost can start.
But we broke the bike and blew the motor. You know, it's just a Honda motor, so it's probably fucked because it's Honda. You should have bought a Kawasaki.
Anyways, that's her. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace. Awesome.
How about you talk this when I put it up to your face now?
Hope you enjoyed it. That was awesome, I hope. Okay then. That's her. That's good, pal.
Maybe we should burn the tires off this. Not.